Ever dreamt of financial success? Let's turn that dream into an actionable plan. The foundation of this journey begins with the power of specificity. Setting specific financial goals is the key to unlocking tangible results. Instead of vaguely stating, "I want to save money," aim for clarity and purpose. Try saying, "I'll save $500 per month." This specificity provides a clear direction and a measurable target. Remember, vague goals lead to vague results. Be specific and give your goals direction. Now it's time to get SMART about your financial goals. This is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's delve a little deeper, shall we? Specific means your goals should be clear and well-defined. Instead of aiming to save more, try save $20,000 for a down payment on a house. Measurable implies that you should be able to track your progress. If your goal is to save $20,000, you could break it down to saving about $1,667 a month for a year. Achievable suggests setting goals that are within your means. Don't aim for the stars if you've only got a ladder. Relevant means your goals should align with your broader financial plan. If you're focusing on debt repayment, a new car might not be the most relevant goal. And finally, time-bound. Set a deadline to keep yourself on track. Think of the SMART criteria as your roadmap to financial success. Let's talk about the importance of balance in setting financial goals. See, short-term goals are like stepping stones. They keep you motivated and on track. These could be things like saving up for a new phone, a vacation, or paying off a small debt. They're achievable in a relatively short period, say up to a year, and give you that immediate satisfaction of accomplishment. On the other hand, we have long-term goals. These are your big-picture targets, like buying a home, starting a business, or planning for a comfortable retirement. They require consistent effort over a longer period, often years or even decades. But here's the thing, it's not a case of either or. You need both. Short-term goals keep your momentum going, while long-term goals ensure you're moving in the right direction for your financial future. It's like juggling. You need to keep all balls in the air. Remember, don't neglect your long-term goals for short-term ones. Balance is key. Life is unpredictable, and your financial goals need a safety net. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's a stash of money set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. Whether it's a sudden job loss, unexpected medical expenses, or a major car repair, an emergency fund can cover these without derailing your financial plans. Aim to tuck away 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Your financial goals should always include an emergency fund. It's your safety net for those unexpected life moments. Ever heard of the saying, "Seeing is believing"? Well, when it comes to financial goals, this old adage holds a lot of truth. Visualization is a powerful tool in goal setting. Take a moment, close your eyes, and imagine reaching your financial goals. Feel the satisfaction, the freedom, the security, maybe even create a vision board or jot down your dreams in a journal. This practice not only keeps you motivated, but it also solidifies your commitment to reaching your targets. But what's a goal without accountability? It's like a ship without a captain, drifting aimlessly. Sharing your financial aspirations with someone else adds an extra layer of motivation. Whether it's a close friend, a family member, or even your favorite online community, having someone to cheer you on and hold you accountable can be a real game changer. So, remember this. Visualize your goals and share them with someone. Accountability can be a game changer. Let's dive into the financial goal hierarchy. Think of it as a financial pyramid. At the base are your most critical goals, like clearing off debt or setting up an emergency fund. These form the foundation of your financial well-being. Once these are firmly in place, you can move up the pyramid to the next level. Maybe that's investing in stocks or saving for a down payment on a house. Start with your most crucial goals and move on to the next level. That's the financial goal hierarchy. Life evolves, and so should your financial goals. As we journey through life, our circumstances and priorities shift, and it's crucial that our financial objectives reflect these changes. Perhaps you've landed a new job with a higher income, or maybe you're now a parent with added financial responsibilities. These are not obstacles, but opportunities to reassess and realign your financial roadmap. Embrace these changes, and remember, adjustments are not failures. They're adaptations to the dynamic nature of life. In summary, setting financial goals involves specificity, SMART criteria, balance, an emergency fund, visualization, accountability, a hierarchy, and flexibility. To transform your financial dreams into reality, remember to be clear, set measurable and achievable targets, maintain a balance between short and long-term goals, and be ready to adapt as life changes. Let's share our biggest financial goals and support each other on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Until next time, stay financially fabulous.